First, you have to take this wooden part which is having a hole in center and two angular cut at the edge. See. Then you have to take this wooden part which is having a cut in the center, a cut at one of its ends, and it is curved on the next other end. Then just insert this wooden part in this hole. It is bit tight, so you have to apply a bit of pressure. Then now you have to take this part which is having exactly same cut as this one, and now you have to insert it in a cross dissection way, and just make sure the cut of the angle is exactly same as that of the wooden piece which is in bottom. The angles should be same. Now you have to take this metal leaf and you have to place this leaf over here. You have to make sure that two of these pieces gets locked with the help of this leaf like this. Now you have to take smallest of the two screws, and you need a screwdriver. With the help of a screwdriver, you have to drill down these two screws in the wood. It will go in very easily like this. Now take the other screw in the same way. Just screw down this one also in the wood. Lock the metal clamp at its place. Then take the wooden piece which is having two holes in its side, and just make sure the flat parts will go in the bottom and the head is curved. And then just insert these wooden parts in the hole. There are two similar wooden parts. Okay, you will need to apply a bit of pressure. Just tap it over here. Okay, and like this. Then take the other wooden part in similar way. The bottom part will be flat and the head will be curved, and on this side also just insert this wooden part in this. First you can insert the upper one. Once the upper one is in, then you can tap the lower one. Now your main frame is ready. There are 4 big screws given. Okay, now these screws will go in this hole, so it will make the frame fit. Just take the screwdriver and screw down these screws in the wood like this. Do same with all the 4 sides. Take this wooden part, okay, which is having this type of cut in the middle and one hole on the head. Okay, this is the only longest wooden part remaining with us. Now make sure this curved part goes inside and the upper part is completely flat. Okay, then we have 5 butterfly screws with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just take one of the screws and you have to lock this wooden part with the help of this screw here like this. Okay, then screw it up. Then we have 2 long screws with us, 4 shorter screws with us. So you have to take the long butterfly screw, 2 of the long butterfly screws, and first then you have to take these wooden pieces. There are 2, they are in the set of 2, okay, which are having hole like this. Okay, just take this screw, insert it in this hole. Then here the wooden part is having hole like this. Okay, this is the main rim, the middle rim. Then insert it over here and take the other wooden part. Okay, this will go on this side, and take the butterfly screw and lock this in the same way like this. make it tight. Okay, now take the remaining long screw and in the same way, see this wood which we attached right now is having this hole. So now you have to attach it like this. This hole will go in coordination with this hole. Then in similar way this hole also, and you have to just lock it down like this. Then you have to lock it with this butterfly screw. You have to make it a bit tight. For this we can take help of a screwdriver. We can attach screwdriver one of it edge and lock this butterfly screw like this. Now the main frame is ready. Only frame of the easel is ready. We are remaining with 2 wooden pieces like this and 2 pieces like this and 4 butterfly screws. Okay. This is the bottom part which will hold the canvas. Now we can open the frame like this. Okay. Take this part of canvas and we have to attach this part like this over here. Okay. And lock it with the help of 2 butterfly screws. Open these butterfly screws, both of them. Insert it here like this. Okay, then take this wooden part and lock it like this. Now this wooden part and this butterfly screws in place. Same with other. And now you can tighten them. Okay. In the same way, take this wooden part and insert the butterfly screws like this. Take this wooden part with the help of these screws. We can lock this part on the upper side. First we will put both of these butterfly screws and after that we will tighten them. This one. Now your easel is ready to go. Tight these screws. You can move the canvas folding plank at whatever position you like. You can tighten it again and set it in place. Same with the upper one.